Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by getting the app and signing in so you can access live data immediately. Install the latest Money Control release, then create an account and verify with the OTP. This secures your session. Once done, set your profile details and enable biometric or PIN unlock to save time. Make sure notifications are allowed so alerts reach you. This helps you react to market moves. Now you're ready to move into watch lists and funds, the first actionable tools you'll use. Next, focus on building targeted watch lists and doing quick research so you can prioritize opportunities. Add stocks and ETFs to watch lists and group them by sector or strategy. This keeps similar ideas together. When you open a symbol, examine the price chart, recent news, analyst ratings, and key financial ratios to understand momentum and valuation. Once you identify candidates, run the screener with market cap, P, and volume filters to refine results and prepare for placing trades or tracking performance. Finally, execute and monitor so your plans actually translate to results. Link your broker account or enable in-app trade integration, confirm margins and order limits, then place orders with defined price targets and stop losses. This controls risk. Track your portfolio performance daily and adjust positions as news or charts change. If prices, feeds, or orders fail, refresh the app, re-log in, check network and permissions, and if necessary, contact Money Control support. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.